In this video, we'll discuss the new CSiAssistant Utility. Let's get started. CSiAssistant is a native Windows utility that allows users to manage their installed CSI applications and install additional CSI software. With CSiAssistant, you have the ability to install new CSI applications, as well as updates to installed CSI applications. You can also manage license modes for installed CSI applications and manage requested license levels. You can also uninstall all applications. It is installed on the same system where the CSI products are to be installed and run. Once installed, users will be asked to sign into the CSiAssistant. Now, let's click on the Installed Products tab. This tab shows all the products and versions installed on the machine. Users have the ability to launch the software, update to a minor version. If a new major version is available, it will be noted here as well, as shown here. Now, if I click on the More button, you have the ability to change the license mode for not only the current user, but for all users. Also, you have the ability to set a requested level for a current user or all users as well. Next, let's take a look at the Available Cloud Sign-ins Product tab. This tab shows a list of all the products the user's customer has licenses for. Depending on the user's role, the user may be able to download and install the latest product release, or download and install previous minor versions for a major version, as you can see here. Okay, if I click the Settings button here on the top right-hand portion of the screen, you have the ability to change your appearance to light or dark. Also see the CSiAssistant version, as well as apply a personal access token. Personal access tokens are discussed in detail in another video. To install or update the CSiAssistant, the user will need administrative permissions on their machine. A link to download CSiAssistant will be shown at the end of this video.